How to do. Hey there. Welcome back to another How to Do Excel video. Today, we're talking about the nested if function. A powerful way to test multiple conditions inside one formula. First of all, let's look at what is a nested if. A nested if is when you place one if function inside another. This lets you test for multiple outcomes step by step. Think of it like a decision tree. If one condition is true, do this, else, check the next one, and so on. For example, let's look at how to grade evaluation. Let's say you're grading student scores with the following rules. If the score is 85 or above, rightward arrow, grade A. If it's 70 or more, rightward arrow, grade B. If it's 50 or more, rightward arrow, grade C. Anything less, rightward arrow, grade F. The nested if formula. Here's what that looks like in Excel. Enter if into cell where you want outcome, then open brackets, then first condition average result cell E9 greater than or equal 85 marks, then comma. And within quotation mark enter capital A. If value is true 85 or more, now result given as grade A. Then we are again enter new if function instead of value if false location. After the comma as if, then open brackets again and then E9 cell greater than or equal 70 comma within quotation mark required result B. Then again comma and same's condition which gives C as result if E9 cell is greater than or equal 50 marks. And finally if previous all conditions not met, which means result is lesser than 50, outcome will be F grade. These are some of tips to keep it clean. Nested ifs can get confusing if you have too many levels. Use line breaks in the formula bar and indent your logic for better readability. Or use Excel's ifs function if you're using Office 2016 or later. It's cleaner and easier to read. And that's it. Nested ifs let you build smarter, multi-step decisions right into your spreadsheet. Try it out with scores, bonuses, taxes, anywhere you need layered logic. Like, share, and follow for more quick Excel tips. Next up, let's simplify this with the ifs function.